Hello students, I'm preparing this video as part of instructions for the midterm examination of multi-agent systems. So this video is dedicated to the midterm examination and how to attempt the examination on 3rd of October 2020. Okay, now we will see step by step. First, we will understand how you have to attempt the examination, what are the links that you have to see, and then second, we will talk about the detailed instructions and the instructions related to submission. Okay, so first we will talk about how you can attempt the examination. So, first of all, I advise you to sit 15 minutes before the examination and set up all your equipments. This is required because during the examination, if any technical difficulties are there, you must be very much scared at that time. Second thing is, if you face any difficulty, you have to inform the invigilator, okay, that what with your difficulty, and that difficulty will be solved further. However, so that your smooth process of examination follows, this particular video is made, and please kindly listen to this video properly. So, when you enter into your multi-agent systems group of Moodle, herein you have to you are given three different links under your announcement section. Okay, this is your announcement section, and three different links will be given to you. So one link is mid-semester examination step 9. Now here it says hidden from students because I have created the examination and I have hidden it from all of you. So that's why it says like that. On the day of examination, I will show this examination link, and hence you will be able to attempt it. Okay, and this message will not be shown hidden from students. So first link is mid-semester examination step 9. Second is mid-semester examination step 10, and third is mid-semester examination submission link. Okay, so let's discuss about each and every link. So the Office of the Academics has circulated a few guidelines about the mid-semester examination, and the all those students who are going to follow the guidelines, the step 9 of the guideline, they have to uh, go to the mid-semester examination step 9 and then attempt the examination. All those students who are going to follow the step 10 of the guidelines, they have to go to this particular link and they have to attempt the examination. Now, for step 10 students, I have already shared the SEB config file of version 2.3, okay, on Google Classroom. Kindly download that particular file, and uh, uh, it is required that you just download it prior and then see whether everything is okay or not, and or at the time of examination you just click on it and start your examination. Okay, now what you have to do is, now third important link is your mid-semester examination submission link. So whenever your examination finishes, at the time of means at that time you have to scan your answers and then go to this particular link and upload your scanned answers. Okay, now we will see one by one what needs to be done. So, sorry, your examination is going to start at 10 a.m. and it goes till 11:30 a.m. During the full course of examination, that is 1.5 hours, you are not allowed to finish your examination. You have to sit till 11:30. This is the first thing. Second thing is, we must understand what is the type of questions that you are getting. So there are total 15 questions in the paper, and you have to attempt all the questions. All the questions are compulsory. Secondly, all the questions are subjective in nature, and hence you have to write your answers in the sheet of paper. Preferably, better if you take an A4 size sheet of paper and write your answers. Now, while writing your answers, uh, just keep your question numbers and mention those question numbers clearly. Okay. Secondly, write your the answers to each and new question on a fresh page, okay, so that everything is clearly visible. Fine. Third important thing is there are no doubts in the paper. Okay. And if you feel that there is any doubt coming in the paper, there is something missing, then just you write there your assumption and you follow that particular assumption and then you write your answers. Because it is clearly it is clear and I'm mentioning it very clearly to you that there are no doubts in the paper and I will check the paper on the basis of questions that are asked to you, okay, and the answers you are writing on, with respect to the questions asked, okay. Now uh, even though this is the case, some doubt happens. Always you are advised to ask your invigilator, and I will be clearing your doubt. Fine. Now, uh, one thing you must understand that if there is any numerical, if there is any calculation required, or you have to write some derivation, you have to give some justification. So, therein, without proper justification, if you are writing the final answer, so for that, I am not going to give you marks. Fine. Your block diagram, sometimes it happens that you take the pen and in a very hurry, what you do is you just draw the block diagrams in tilted fashion. So that kind of block diagrams will not be allowed, and might be possible that I'm going to deduct marks for such kind of diagrams. So please be clear about it. I want a very neat and clean block diagram with the text of those block diagrams written properly inside it on in those particular blocks, okay. So one thing. Second, इस इसके बाद एक नई चीज और क्या मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि whenever you write your answers, write it very clearly. Okay. So if any kind of derivation is required, you write your assumptions and derive it properly. If the explanation is required, then you explain it properly with respect to the number or marks allotted to that particular question. Okay. And thirdly, if numerical is there, state whatever is given and then whatever you are doing, and then you just encircle or just make a square outside your answer so that I can understand your answers clearly at the time of evaluation. Fine. Also, if I'm asking you questions related to predicate calculus or questions related to some numericals, so for those cases, as told you in the class, at the time of teaching you these sub topics, if you are writing the answers to the predicate calculus, please kindly do not write descriptive answers. What is required is the derivation, you derive it with its rules, and I will give you the marks that with respect to the answer what you have provided. Unnecessarily writing about those topics will not fetch you marks. Okay. Now, when you finish your examination, whenever you finish your examination, but you have to still stay till 11:30 a.m. Okay. If you finish your examination, the first thing what you have to do is on each and every page, just write your name, roll number, and signature. Name, roll number, and signature. And preferably before the start of your examination, the pages whatever you are going to use, you just take and take those pages and with a scale you just mark the header, and then you write your name, roll number, and signature on that particular page. And then uh, finally when you have written, you have to scan that particular document. Now at the time of scanning, and that you understand that you must switch on all the lights, okay, because you have to think about our eyes also, your faculty's eyes also at the time of evaluation. Switch all the lights. Practice with a good scanner in your mobile app. May be possible that your scanner is such as some scanners are there which are good in quality, like cam scanner is nowadays blocked, but if your cam scanner is there in your mobile, okay, already, then I think use it. Otherwise, you can go to Adobe Scanner. It's a very good scanner. I'm using it, and with the use of good light, different shades you can capture, and then with the use of those um, uh, whitening shades, you can scan your document properly. Okay. So scan your document and then name your document uh, something like roll number underscore mas.pdf. Okay. So name your document like that, and then you upload that particular document. Fine. Now, maybe possible that at the time of upload your size of document increases. So in that uh, um, particular situation, what you can do is you can upload the question wise, or let us suppose three questions together in your submission. So in that way, what you can do is you can write the question number dot pdf as your name of the file. Okay. Now you must understand over here that for submission, when your examination finishes, just when it finishes, at that time you just write your name, roll number, signature, scan it with a good quality scanner, and then you name your PDF, and then you go to the link called mid semester examination submission. On this link, you when you go inside, it will say add submission. Therein you just click and add your submission, and then uploaded. So what happens at the time of upload, since you are 114 students and other students are also uploading, so it may take some time. So time allotted to you will be shown. However, if the upload time increases because of buffering, please be patient and don't worry, um, uh, um, because you have to upload anyhow. The uploaded answers will be evaluated only. No other form of submission like sending via mail, sending the scanned images on my WhatsApp or mobile. Okay, all these are not permitted. You have to upload, and the uploaded answers will be evaluated only. Okay, so please be patient because a lot of students are simultaneously uploading. Okay, and it depends on the speed of your internet also. So please be patient. Okay, and if there is any error happening at the time of upload, please kindly inform your invigilator about the same. Okay. Now, another thing is you have to upload your document as PDF only, no other form of extensions or no other document files, form of document files are accepted for upload. Fine. These are all the instructions that are very much important for your smooth attempt of examination. Fine. Finally, what I would like to suggest you is uh, when you sit before the examination starts, and you can see this particular link. So I have displayed all the instructions explicitly over here, so that before even clicking the link, what you can do is you will just read all the instructions, and when the instructions related to step 9, step 10, and your mid semester examination submission, so that after 11:30 you will not get delayed in submission, and you will not have to read all the uh, instructions again. Okay, so this is very important, and I have prepared this video so that your examination goes smoothly without any difficulty and without any problem at your end. Fine. However, even if you face any issues after this examination is finished, means during the examination, even though if you go through this particular video, then also what you can do is you can ask your invigilator, and we will understand the situation, and on the basis of your situation, we will also inform you how to do during the examination. Okay, so all the best for your examination, and follow the instructions clearly, read the instructions on the day of examination. Okay, and then have a smooth examination on 3rd of October. So till then, thank you very much. Have a nice day.